How to change YouTube profile picture on mobile. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of View. Now go ahead and click on your username. You will land to this kind of page. Now over here you will see this pen kind of icon. Click on it. Now from here you are able to change your profile picture for your YouTube channel. Just go ahead and click on your profile picture. You will get two options. Take a photo, choose from your photos. You can select any of these options. I'm going to select choose from your photos. Your gallery will open up. Now I can select the picture that you want to set profile picture for your YouTube channel. You can just adjust the picture. Then click on save. Wait for a few seconds. And your new profile picture on your YouTube channel will be updated. So this way you can easily change YouTube profile picture from mobile. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.